Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the game executable and running the installer with admin rights so files can be placed correctly. Once done, back up the game's original files and any existing reshade presets to avoid loss. Then verify which rendering backend the game uses, DirectX 9/11/12 or Vulkan, and match the reshade build accordingly, because a wrong backend causes load failures. This first set prevents common permission and compatibility mistakes and gets you ready to install cleanly. Next, run the reshade installer and carefully select the games, exe and the correct API backend. This is the crucial mapping step. Choose only the shader packages you need to reduce conflicts and avoid installing duplicate shader packs that can overwrite files. After installation, move your desired ini preset into the game's config folder and ensure the shader cache has right permissions. If the GUI doesn't appear, use the toggle key to force the overlay and watch the log for missing DLL or shader errors. Finally, launch the game, toggle the overlay, and load your preset to validate everything. Small tweaks to effects may be needed for performance. If you see errors or a black screen, inspect reshade. Log for missing DLLs, shader compile failures, or API mismatches, and disable other mods or overlays that hook the renderer. As a last resort, perform a clean install, remove reshade files, restore backups, and reinstall only the targeted shaders. Remember this single tip: check reshade. Log first, it tells you why.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.